Good morning, student. I am your bio teacher, and we are studying about the circulatory system. In previous video, already I have uh, taught you about the structure of heart and the parts of heart. Heart is a pumping organ. Heart is a muscular organ, and it made from the special tissue. This muscle is called as the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is very strong muscle. These muscles are continuous contraction and relaxation without any rest throughout our lifetime. Got it? And in this video we are study about that how can the heart is contract and relax. In this video I am going to explain about the pacemaker. In previous video already we have studied about that the heart have a 4 chamber. Both upper chamber is called as auricle, lower chamber is called as a ventricle. I told you when the two auricle is contract, blood are passes from auricle to the ventricle through by tricuspid and bicuspid valves. And when the ventricle is contract, the right ventricles are passes the blood to the lungs through by pulmonary arteries, and the left ventricles are passes the oxygenated blood to whole body part through by aorta. Okay student, in this video I will details explain about that how does the heart is contract and relax. Got it student? In the heart is a naturally present the pacemaker. It is also called natural pacemaker. Due to this pacemaker, the electrical impulses are generated in the heart and conduct to the all parts of the heart. Due to these electrical impulses, the heart is contract and relax. See student, maybe in your exam will be asked what is the location of the pacemaker. See student, this is a right auricle. There is the superior vena cava and this is a inferior vena cava. The pacemaker is located in near the superior vena cava in right auricle. The pacemaker is also called as the sinoatrial node. It is also called as a SA node. Sinoatrial node. This is the natural pacemaker which is situated in the right auricle. These pacemaker are generate the electrical impulses and passing to the all parts of the heart. There is a AV node, in there is a muddle of His, but this is you will study in the higher classes the another structure of the SA node, but in the 8th standard is only the information about the pacemaker. The pacemaker is the present in the right auricle near to the superior vena cava, and due to this pacemaker the electrical impulses are generated in the heart and conduct from SA node to the ventricle and auricle. See student, the SA node when it generates the electrical impulses, both auricle is contract and push the blood from auricle to the ventricle. When the auricle is a contract, simultaneously ventricle is a relax and filled with blood. See, again I will repeat it. The SA node, it generates the electrical impulses. You know that in our house also electrical circuit, main switch. The main switch like that pacemaker, there passes the electricity to all electrical impulses. All electrical instruments are present in your house. When the main switch is on, that times the electricity passes in all the electrical instruments are present in your house. Same like that, the pacemaker, it generates the electrical impulses. When it passes into the auricle, that auricle is contract and ventricle relax and filled with blood. When the electrical impulses are passes in the ventricle, then ventricle is contract and push the blood out from the ventricle. Got it, student? And the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart is called as a heartbeat. You know that our heart is beating 72 times in a minute. Got it? What is mean by SA node? SA node is also called as a pacemaker. And due to this pacemaker, the electric impulses are generated in the heart, and due to these electrical impulses, the heart is contract, push the blood to the ventricle. When the ventricle is contract and throw out the blood into the lungs for oxygenation and through by aorta to all parts of the body. Got it, student? What is mean by pacemaker? Pacemaker is like a device, naturally device which is present in our heart, and where it is located near to the superior vena cava in the right auricle. And due to this pacemaker, the heart is a contract and relax. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart, and the blood is passes to each and every parts of the body. So we call the heart is a pumping organ. Got it, student? What is mean by pacemaker? In the previous video, I will explain about that blood circulation. Again, I will explain. The both are the superior and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body, and the inferior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body, and both are pour the blood into the right auricle. When the blood are present in the right side of the heart, that time it is a deoxygenated blood. Through by tricuspid wall, the blood is passing from auricle to the ventricle, and these deoxygenated bloods are passed through by pulmonary artery to the lungs. In lungs, there is the take the oxygen from lungs and throw out the carbon dioxide, and the blood is become oxygenated. Then there is the pulmonary vein. Through by pulmonary vein, oxygenated bloods are enter into the left auricle. Through by bicuspid valve, the blood is passing from auricle to the ventricle. When the ventricle is contract, the blood is pass through by aorta to all parts of the body. Got it, student? What is mean by pacemaker? Pacemaker is a important part of the heart. Due to this pacemaker, the heart is contract and relax, and both are contract simultaneously, both are relax, and both are contract simultaneously, both are relax. Means 4 times relaxation and contraction of the heart is called as the heartbeat, and it required the 0.85 second. Means 72 times heart is beating within a 1 minute. Got it, student? What is mean by pacemaker? Thank you.